Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is going to be from the huge office supply company Staples. They are hiring a COA order processor. Now, this is remote for my United States folks only. Real quickly, just a little disclaimer, I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online, so I don't have any additional information outside of these job postings. Now, this job says that the headquarters is in Elgin, Illinois. They don't say anything about state restrictions when hiring. As stated, I cannot be absolutely 100% positive on that. But if you're interested in getting that application in, the links to this page are in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, this job is actually going to require some phone work. They're looking for someone to primarily focus on processing orders that are pre-configured or clean and routing them to the appropriate production facility. You will field, assess, and direct all inbound calls to the COA desk. You'll utilize all available Staples order systems, as well as understand how and who to contact at each production facility to effectively answer any inbound inquiries for the partners or customers. So you'll also be working with their ticketing and routing system, making minor edits to the Solution Builder job tickets. You'll make sure all due dates, shipping details, and special instructions are reviewed and clearly noted on the orders. You'll utilize order routing matrix to determine the appropriate production facility that the order needs to go to. You'll name files with standard naming conventions, print tickets to go to the appropriate production facility. You'll also be entering transfer orders into the system as necessary. Now, they are not requiring any kind of a college degree for this position. They do want somebody who has 2 to 4 years experience in some kind of customer service or office administrative role, somebody who can demonstrate the ability in a position that is a solid negotiation and relationship building skills. Of course, you have to have great Microsoft Office and Adobe Acrobat PDF computer skills, the ability to read and interpret instructions. They also want somebody who has excellent phone communication skills, someone who has ability to monitor email and handle multiple priorities or multitask, including data entry while on the phone. Now, if this sounds like something you're interested in, they're paying anywhere from $16 to $19 an hour. Of course, that's going to be based on experience. They're also offering a standard benefit package that includes all the things like health insurance and a 401k, and they do offer flexible work arrangements, including working remote, and it says they offer flexible hours. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.